Hi guys, this is Felica. I'm doing an unboxing video.
And I'm going to give away 2 craft kits of what we're about to unbox, and I'll let you know how to win them in this video.
We're going to open this box right now.
Are you excited?
Whoa, what's that?
We have a treehouse. Wow, it's a girl. It's a window.
That's really cool. Hi.
There's the girl and some kind of fun here.
So while Shia is coloring, let me take a good look at this beautiful box here. It comes with 7 characters, a girl, a boy, and a moose. Who's a caterpillar. This gift is from Calafant. They make beautiful paper products that are great for kids to learn and have fun and be creative with. Yeah, I really like how the quality of the cards are really good. The printing is done beautifully. I'm very excited to put this treehouse together with Shia. It's really lovely. It comes with this very nice instruction booklet. It shows you how you can put the treehouse together. I think this is so much fun to make, even for adults. So I think Shia is still coloring, and I'm going to start playing with this one. They have this really clever, what do they call it? They have a name for it. Tab and slot method. So it's really easy for kids to just put everything together, and it doesn't fall apart. Like this. Which part of the treehouse is this?
The house.
Oh, it's the house. So you've got the tree trunk ready. It's getting really tall. So we haven't finished coloring the tree house, but we're planning to go out and find some leaves from the park and maybe stick them here. There's a little balcony here. A little girl can go stand up here. There's a door here. Window? So cool. And there's a 3rd level here, right? You open that door first? Yeah. Very cool. There's a little guy already in here.
To win this treehouse, all you need to do is go down to the description box of this video. There's a link. Click on this link and it will take you to an Instagram competition. And just follow the instructions there. Alright, plus like this YouTube video. Good luck guys, I cannot wait to give you this amazing treehouse craft kit. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!